We're going to build the same volatility model that Wall Street quants use, right inside Google Sheets. And the best part, the sheet updates itself automatically at the end of every trading day. The link is in a pinned comment so you can follow along in real time. You can even go in and adjust the memory parameter yourself to see how it changes the prediction. Here are the SpaceX closing prices since the IPO. Notice the sharp drop followed by a recovery. We convert every day's price change into a percentage return. That's our raw material. We're combining yesterday's volatility estimate with today's new information to get today's value. We then use average return plus or minus 2 standard deviations to get a predicted return range for tomorrow. Converting those return ranges to dollar prices gives us our predicted trading band. Green means it hit, and red means it missed. With memory set to 0.5, the model reacts fast to recent moves, giving a wide band of 138 to 178. Bumping memory to 0.94, the industry standard, smooths things out and tightens the band to 140 to 176. Two things the model can't predict: the NASDAQ 100 edition on July 7th and the earnings report plus lockup expiry in early August.